Who's my little coconut? You are. Oh, hi there. I really didn't see ya. Well, hi there, everyone. I'm Delaney. Hi. And this is my show on how to train your doggy. So, now I'm going to be teaching you how to train your dog how to sit. So, this is my dog. His name is Chocolate Chip. Chocolate Chip, come over here and come. Chocolate Chip, come here, Chocolate Chip. Come here, buddy. Come here. Krissa, I'm trying to shoot my show that I was promised I would get to do. Oh, well, I guess that's just not going to happen because it's my time to play with Chocolate Chip, okay? So just, it's my time, okay? Okay. Well, I'm sorry, but I'm using him now. He's off limits from you. Chocolate Chip, come here. Chocolate Chip, buddy. But remember last night we practiced so hard. Come on, you don't want to pass that up. All of that practice for nothing. Come on, Chocolate Chip, come back, come back. No, Chocolate Chip, stay, stay. Come back, stay, stay. Chocolate Chip, stay. No, come back. Chocolate Chip, stay. Come back, stay, come back, stay, come back. Oh, now look what you've done. He's running away. We have to go catch him. I thought you were going to go shopping. It's your fault that he left. It's not my fault I did anything. It's totally your fault. No, it's not. It's not my fault at all. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Oh, I just love playing games on my iPod. Huh, look at that. 100% again. Woo, I am awesome at this game. What is licking me? What is licking me? Something is licking me. Oh, it's just you, Chocolate Chip. What are you doing in the hallway? This is weird. You shouldn't be in the hallway. Around this time, Delaney said not to be in the room because she would be filming her dog thing. And Chocolate Chip's out here, so that's why I'm out here playing games on my iPod. But, this just isn't right. I guess I'll just go and see what all the fuss is about, and I'll take Chocolate Chip back home. Yeah. Come on, Chocolate Chip, let's go home. Let's go home, buddy. Come on, home is this way. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. This is going to be so fun. Okay, we're going to be turning here. Well, here we are. Home sweet home. Hey, guys. I'm home. Oh, we're never gonna ever find Chocolate Chip again. Oh, it's all my fault. I shouldn't even have done this dog show. He was so under pressure. That's right. It was your fault. What? Chocolate Chip? Chocolate Chip? Chocolate Chip! Oh, you're home. I missed you so much. Don't ever run away like that again, and I won't ever pressure you into doing anything ever again. And you, Krista, don't try to steal him away from me now. Wait, I thought you were supposed to go shopping with your friends. I mean, it looks like you're all ready. Oh, well, I guess I'm not that ready. Come on, you can tell us what happened. Oh, well, they sort of moved it to Sunday because they had acting class. So, yeah. They had drama? They blew you off? No, not necessarily. We're still gonna go, but it's just not today, and that's why I showed up. But I just wanted to sit down and hang out with Chocolate Chip. But I forgot, and then me and Delaney got in a fight, and while we were fighting, he just sort of leaped out the door. Oh, well, that's too bad. Yeah, I guess it is. Well, he's home now, and that's the great thing about it. Oh, whoops. And I'm sorry that I started to argue with you. I probably shouldn't have done that. It's fine. I probably shouldn't have been, letting him do these really bad for him tricks. I'm really curious on what these tricks were. I mean, they sound pretty cool, flipping and stuff. Can we please at least see him do one of his tricks? Okay, fine, but it's only because you guys wanted me to. Alright, Chocolate Chip. Flip! Flip, boy! Flip! Whoa. Good boy, good boy.